Dear students, welcome to session 65 of Accounting 1 subject for BBA first year. In this class, we will learn about the meaning of balance sheet, the preparation of balance sheet, the order of liquidity, and order of fixity to be followed while preparing the balance sheet. In the last class, you have learned about the meaning of annual accounts, trading and profit and loss account meaning, purpose, and preparation. Also, the adjustments to be made while preparing profit and loss account. In this class, we'll know the importance of balance sheet in final accounts and the procedure to be followed while preparing the balance sheet. A balance sheet is a sheet containing the balances of all real and personal accounts, that is, assets and liabilities of the business. It shows the financial position of the business on the last day of the trading period. The assets are shown on the right hand side and the liabilities and capital are shown on the left hand side. The balance sheet of a concern is divided into two sides, left hand and right hand, as discussed in the previous slide. The balance sheet provides us a true and fair view of the financial position of the business. There are various types of assets. There are current assets, liquid assets, investments, fixed assets, wasting assets, intangible assets, fictitious assets, etc. Similarly, we have liabilities like current liabilities, long-term liabilities, owner's equity, and capital. So while the assets and liabilities of a business are shown in the balance sheet in a certain order, the arrangement of assets and liabilities in the balance sheet is called the grouping of assets and liabilities. There are usually two ways in which assets and liabilities are shown in the balance sheet, that is, in the order of liquidity or in the order of permanence or fixity. Liquidity means the sequence followed based upon the liquid position of the asset, that is, those assets which can be converted into cash first are written first, and those which cannot be easily converted into cash comes next. Whereas in case of fixity or permanence, those assets which are purchased and used with an intention to be used for long term in the business are written first, and those assets which are most liquid, such as cash in hand, stock, etc., are presented at the bottom. Liabilities may be arranged in two ways: in the order of urgency of payment, that is, those liabilities which are payable immediately or in the near future first are written first, and those which are payable after long time are shown later. And in the order of permanence, where long term liabilities come first and immediately payable liabilities come next. When a balance sheet is prepared in the order of liquidity, the current assets, that is, most liquid asset comes first, then comes the current assets, then comes the long term assets or fixed assets. Similarly, in the liability side, we are following the order of urgency of payment, where bills payable comes first, then comes the trade creditors, loans, outstanding expenses, reserves and surplus, and capital. Whereas when the balance sheet is prepared in the order of permanence, the long-term fixed assets which are intended to be used and not sold are written first, and the most liquid assets are written at the end. Same sequence is followed in case of liabilities, where capital, which is the proprietor's capital, written first, and the most the payments which require immediate which are required to be paid within a period of 1 year are recorded at the end. So, these are the two orders which we follow, that is order of liquidity and order of permanence. Thank you.